Let's find wood.
Today we're going to be doing some paletas of strawberry, and we are going to be needing strawberries, heavy cream, a gallon of milk, and our ice cream mold. We're going to be pouring them there afterwards. So first what we need to make, and we need our blender to make it. We need also a scale. The recipe is 8 ounces of strawberry, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of heavy cream, and 1.5 cup of whole milk. So right now Eli is going to be using a kid's knife to cut off the green area of the strawberry, and I'll be helping him out with a regular knife.
How'd you do that? You cut part of the strawberry?
You're gonna cut right there.
I don't really know how to cut.
And my strawberries are already washed before we cut them.
Okay, one.
And you're gonna place them in this plate. Place the whole strawberry on the plate.
Yum, 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 yum. Oh, that one.
Let's see how many ounces we have already. We have 4 ounces. We still need 4 more ounces. That's 6 ounces. How many more left, Eli? 2 more?
That's a lot.
No, we just need 8 ounces.
Yeah.
So how many more ounces if we have 6?
Yeah.
So 8 minus 6 is, it's all right.
Pick it up. Got it.
We'll use another one. So 8 minus 6 is what, Eli?
8. 2.
2. That's right. Okay, we got our 8 ounces. When we don't need no more strawberries right now, Eli. We are gonna be placing them inside our blender. I said we need half a cup of heavy cream. And we need 1.5 of milk. They're good? Eli's favorite fruit is strawberries. How many of you like strawberries? And we need half a cup of sugar. Let me get my measuring cup. Okay, you'll be hearing a loud noise. It's gonna be the blender because we have to blend everything. Blend everything all together and it's creamy. So we'll be placing it in the ice cream mold. And I like to place pieces of strawberry on top after I'm done pouring it in. It's all homemade ice cream. It is more healthier, I think. than the one you buy at stores. I did these for Elijah's birthday party last year, and everybody enjoyed them. Even the adults enjoyed them. And we are done with the first set. I'll be making more. You do really like the strawberries. And we'll be making more. We put the lid on it. I have the popsicle sticks. You place them in. Try not to go all the way down because then you'll have a smaller stick when they are done in the freezer. It takes about 1 full day, 24 hours, for them to be ready to enjoy them. Which other ones are we going to be doing, Eli?
The mangoes. And the
mango
pedas, yeah.
And the piña colada ones. And arroz con leche. And the ones from coconut too. So this is my first set. It's going to be on the side like that. When it's time for the freezer, I put them the same time like that. We know that tomorrow we are able to enjoy them. So we're going to keep cutting more strawberries because we need 8 ounces again to make the second one. There you go. Second one, I am placing the lid again on this one and putting in the popsicle sticks. Yeah. Not all the way down, okay? A little bit up. There you go.
And don't try one more.
Sure.
Get the all.
Last one. All right, in total 20 popsicles. So we're gonna wait 24 hours and we are gonna eat them tomorrow, right?
I guess.
Okay, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Elijah's Fun World. Give us thumbs up. Enjoy your day. Bye.